So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to copy message from TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your TikTok account. Now you should have to tap on inbox icon, which is available on the lower corner of right side. So tap on it. Now tap on message which you want to copy, like this. Then scroll and tap on message. Then simply you can see the option of copy. So tap on copy and see you have successfully copied message from TikTok. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.